Tired of fumbling with complicated car audio setups? Imagine having complete wireless control over your player, from up to 300 meters away. That's exactly what Taramps Connect Control Remote offers: effortless, long-range command with a simple plug-and-play USB installation. No electrical wiring, no hassle, just instant control at your fingertips. I recently helped a friend upgrade his 2007 Impala LT's audio system with this remote, and the difference was clear. The receiver plugs directly into the player's USB port, so setup took minutes. Once synced, he could control up to 16 different functions remotely, and the system even allows up to 3 controls to work together seamlessly. The range? An impressive 300 meters in open space, giving you freedom to move without losing connection. Plus, the remote's rubber protective case and impact-resistant design mean it's built to last in any environment. What really stands out is the Smart Economy mode and anti-copy technology, ensuring reliable performance without draining your battery. The device supports multiple preset models and even lets you program other controls thanks to its learning function. All this with a sleek, modern look that fits comfortably in your hand. If you're looking for a straightforward way to upgrade your car audio control, this remote is worth a look. Ready to simplify your car audio experience? The Connect Control Remote from Taramps combines reliability, range, and ease of use in one compact package. Try it when you're ready to take full control. No wiring, no fuss, just pure convenience.